Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode. So today I'm going to talk about DaVinci Resolve, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think every beginner should start using DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. Now DaVinci Resolve is an editing tool which started as a color grading tool and is a world-class pro color grading editing tool. Now, the first reason why I think everybody should be using DaVinci Resolve, and I think this is even the only reason why I think if you're starting, you should use DaVinci Resolve, is DaVinci Resolve has a free version, which is very nice. With the tools that the free version provides, I think is very, very big and huge for beginner creators. Now, let's talk about the free version and the paid version. Now, DaVinci Resolve's free version comes in with limited tools, but also with tools that I think 90% or 80% of creators online wouldn't have to even upgrade to the studio version. One of the limitations the free version has is that you can only export 1080p at 60 frames per second, no 4K, and that is a bummer. But I think for beginner creators, if you are creating videos, I think mostly you will start with 1080p camera. And even if you have a 4K camera, you would probably like to start with 1080p before even moving to 4K. So I think this is not going to be a huge limitation for new creators. Now, with the paid version, DaVinci has a one-time fee for their software. That is the studio version. And it comes in at $300. So you pay $300 just once and you have access to new update, have access to the software for a lifetime. This is huge because when you look at Premiere Pro is on a subscription base and you're going to pay every month as far as you use their software. And this is very nice. Another key feature or another key thing about the paid version is that when you buy DaVinci's camera, you get the software for free, which is very huge. So if you're somebody who is starting up and maybe probably you think Blackmagic's camera is going to be a very cool camera for you, you could easily buy that camera and you get a free software, editing software in addition, which is very nice. Now, the second reason why I think DaVinci is a very nice tool for beginners is that it has presets and add-ons. When we go with the other free versions, other free editing tools, it limits you in certain areas. But DaVinci, one nice thing about DaVinci is that they are now people like third-party companies creating presets that you could easily use on DaVinci. So one nice thing is that you could easily buy or download for free all the free presets that are out there, and you could easily use them on your videos, which is very, very nice. And another cool thing is that you could also create your own presets and use it for your videos. And also, you could also create presets and sell and start making money from a free editing software, which is very, very nice. Now, the third reason is since DaVinci started as a pro color grading tool, it has a pro color grading tool built into its editing software, and it's even in the free version, which is very nice. So you have an industry standard color grading tool in the free editing software, which is very nice. Now, the fourth reason why I think you should be using DaVinci Resolve as a beginner is reliable. As compared to Premiere Pro, which crashes most often, DaVinci Resolve has no crashing issues, and it makes the whole editing experience very smooth for everyone. Now, the fifth and final reason why I think every beginner should get DaVinci Resolve is because it is free. You could easily download DaVinci Resolve, try it out, use it for a while, find out if you really like the software, if this is a software that you want to use full time, then you can probably keep it or upgrade to the studio version. So this is very nice because you're not going to waste any money trying the software out. So guys, these are my 5 reasons why I think every beginner should be using DaVinci Resolve. And if you like this content and you want to see more of DaVinci Resolve based content, please consider subscribing and put on your notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Let's go.